Did you know that 1 in 6 people will experience a stroke in their lifetime? And even more concerning, many strokes could be treated effectively if caught early. The problem is, most people miss the early warning signs. For adults over 60 and 70, recognizing these signs quickly can save your life or the life of someone you love. Today, I'm going to show you the subtle warning signs of a stroke that many people ignore and what to do if you notice them. What is a stroke? A stroke happens when blood flow to the brain is interrupted. This can be caused by a blocked artery, ischemic stroke, or a bleeding vessel, hemorrhagic stroke. Without oxygen, brain cells start to die in minutes. Early recognition is critical. Even a few minutes can make a huge difference in recovery. The FAST method, classic warning signs. Remember this simple acronym, FAST. F for face, drooping or uneven smile. A for arms, weakness or numbness in one arm. S for speech, slurred, strange, or garbled speech. T for time, time to call 911 immediately. If you see any of these signs, act immediately. 1. Sudden numbness or weakness usually affects one side of the body, can involve the face, arm, or leg. Often subtle, just a feeling of heaviness or tingling. Tip: ask the person to raise both arms. If one drifts downward, call 911 immediately. 2. Sudden confusion or trouble speaking. Sudden inability to form words clearly. Difficulty understanding what others are saying. Slurred or slow speech. Tip: even mild confusion should be treated as an emergency in seniors. 3. Sudden trouble seeing, blurry vision or loss of vision in one or both eyes, double vision or seeing dark spots. Tip: stroke can affect the optic nerve. Do not ignore sudden visual changes. 4. Sudden dizziness, loss of balance or trouble walking, stumbling, unsteady gait or inability to stand, vertigo, feeling like the room is spinning, often accompanied by nausea. Tip: these subtle balance problems are easily missed but critical warning signs. 5. Sudden severe headache, especially if different from normal headaches, often sudden, intense, or worst ever, can be a sign of bleeding in the brain. Tip: seniors should treat sudden severe headaches as urgent. Less obvious signs many miss: facial droop only when smiling, weak hand grip in one hand, sudden fatigue or confusion, minor slurred speech that comes and goes. Even these minor symptoms can indicate a mini-stroke or TIA, which is a warning for a bigger stroke. Why seniors are at higher risk. Age over 60 increases stroke risk. High blood pressure, diabetes or prediabetes, heart disease, smoking or alcohol use, sedentary lifestyle. Being aware of subtle changes is crucial. Seniors may ignore mild symptoms, thinking it's normal aging. Immediate actions if you suspect a stroke. Call 911 immediately. Every minute counts. Note time symptoms started, critical for treatment. Keep the person calm and seated. Do not give food or water in case swallowing is affected. If alone, do not try to drive to the hospital. Early treatment can prevent permanent disability or death. Prevention tips for seniors: control blood pressure and cholesterol, stay active, walking and light exercise, eat a heart-healthy diet, manage diabetes, avoid smoking and limit alcohol, get regular checkups. Preventing strokes is as important as recognizing them. It's easy to ignore subtle changes, but awareness saves lives. Even minor symptoms are a signal from your body. Pay attention. Your knowledge today could save you or someone you love tomorrow. Remember, FAST. Don't ignore sudden changes in your face, arms, speech, balance, or vision. Act immediately. Minutes make a difference in stroke survival and recovery. Your health, independence, and life are worth paying attention to. Every small warning sign. Like if you learned something that could save a life. Subscribe for weekly senior health tips and prevention strategies. Comment below. Did you know these subtle stroke signs before? Let's keep our hearts and brains safe together.